Today on COC, we're going to replace our broken winch cable.
So we've actually only used this winch 3 times. On the 4th time, we actually broke it, and that was due to user error. The 3rd time we used it, we didn't properly feed it back in, and it got all knotted up and twisted on the spool. So the 4th time we tried to use it, instead of taking it apart and unspooling the wire and doing it properly, we decided we just jerk on it really hard.
So let's start by taking out the 2 bolts on the fair lead. One here and one there. One side down, one to go. So we're going to get this unknotted and then we'll pick you back up in a few minutes.
So as you saw, I got all the big knots out. So let me show you the back of the winch, and I'll show you how to put it in free spool mode so that you're able to pull that out by your hand. Okay, so we're here on the back side of the winch on the driver's side of the machine. And this little tab here is pointing to the driver compartment. That means you're engaged. That means you can't pull it with your hand. So we need to take this and flip it to the front. And now we're in free spool. So now you can pull it out with your hands.
So once you have your cable all pulled out, you need to find your set screw on your drum and loosen it. You should be able to pull the rest of your cable out. You just keep loosening it so you can pull the rest of your cable out. The old winch cable is now out.
This is what we're going to go with. I've never used one before. We'll see how it works out. But it's a 50 foot of a 3/16 synthetic rope. And here's the rope. And they say whenever you switch to synthetic, you should go with a smooth fair lead. They say if your rope gets caught up in these rollers, and I can see how, it would pinch it and break your new synthetic rope. So that's why they always say go with one of these smooth fair leads.
So we're going to take our rope, we're going to feed it through our fair lead, then we're going to put it back in the spool, then we're going to tighten our set screw.
Okay, so we ran into another snag here. The Harbor Freight winch line that we got is just slightly thicker than the cfmoto line. So we actually had to take a little drill bit and kind of widen out our hole a little bit on our spool. But I'll show you here real quick, it does slide in now.
So now that we have installed our rope to the spool, we can now install our fair lead. The next thing we need to do is re-engage the winch. I'm going to flip our switch towards the driver's seat. So now we're going to put in our winch remote. Then we're going to start our machine, and then we're going to start pulling in rope. So, now that I got my winch fixed, I'm going to go find some mud to play in. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.